The celery root is the underdog of the vegetable world.
Oh, geez. Oh,
It's often overshadowed by its more popular cousin, the celery.
do you all see that?
But don't be fooled by appearances. What's that phobia where those little bitty holes make your skin itch and your head tingle? This underdog has a lot
my
to
head's all-
offer. Oh, my head's all itchy and stuff. Hey everyone, my name is Carlos Nino. Hello. Oh, and he's Carlos too. Welcome back to our market update. We post these videos weekly.
That's right.
Before we get going, follow us on all of our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. We like to post these videos weekly for everyone. Can we talk about something different though? One of my favorite vegetables is the celery root.
Favorite?
For this week, yes. A lot of people don't know about this underrated vegetable.
But what makes it underrated?
Celery root is often overshadowed by its more popular cousin, celery. How is it overshadowed? It just is. Hey, are you going to keep interrupting us this entire video, or are you going to participate?
Oh, participate.
Excellent. Go find one so we can show everyone.
So pushy.
That's right. Celery root is also delicious and packed with nutrients. There are a couple of key differences. Any day now. Here's one. Finally. So this is the root of celery? No. Contrary to popular belief, celery root is not the root of the celery stalks we see in stores. What? I know, right? It is closely related botanically, though. I see what you did there. That's right. Celery root is bred specifically for the root instead of the stalks.
Poor celery. I had you in such high regards.
Well, don't do that. Do you want to earn something cool?
What's going on?
Is that the... Wait, make sure you participate in our weekly trivia. We always offer a free just for our customers. If you're one of the first to answer correctly, you get to have. But if you're not looking to gain more knowledge, well, this isn't for you then. You could just ignore it. Can we get back to celery root? Oh, of course. I'll be leaving. Where were we?
Oh, poor celery. I had you in such high regards.
Oh yeah, that's right. I remember. Let's continue. Action. In defense of celery. Oh, that's me. Hey, sorry. Celery has a much higher water content and also a good source of vitamins A and C. Celery root contains more potassium and mainly considered a fall/winter vegetable. That is one of the reasons that celery root is becoming a fast favorite of many cooks, and there are so many ways to prepare it. Hooray, celery root. You can grate it.
What?
And have it in a salad.
What?
Or in veggie stew. Also, you can cut it into cubes, roast it in the oven. Oven, can you mash it? You can. You can boil it and mash it. Yep. You can dip it in batter and deep fry it if you wanted.
That's a good idea.
It roughly has 7 grams of net carbs per cup. So, is that it? Well, yeah. Can I say the thank you? Of course. Thank you for joining us this week. Remember, Chef's Produce was founded by chefs for chefs. We'll see you next week.